Good evening, my brother.
Good evening, boss.
Bros, what do you think about ASU strike and Thunder strike?
When ASU strike you, ASU just make everybody go home.
What?
No, but ASU is ASU that make somebody wanted to become a doctor be learning to like this. Because when ASU strike like 150 times in a year, ASU, they are not people. ASU are not, is not somebody. ASU is the animals. They just pursue people anyhow. ASU they drag people anyhow. When you see ASU, you run everywhere. ASU make people run from one place to another. Thunder, why Thunder? Thunder makes a madman come back to his sense. What? Thunder strike. They'll tell you it's divides into two. They'll tell you that have color of God. They'll tell you answer to train black and white. See, the argument of Thunder. One is Oloku Thunder. When Oloku Thunder strike you in the night, see, there will be no help. You'll be shouting rescue, 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 rescue.
What?
Thunder make people help their strong. Thunder kill Igbo people. Thunder kill everybody. Don't go and go. That's all I have.
Okay, God bless you.